Welcome back to Autoland Channel, where we bring you the latest insights and reviews on the automotive industry's most anticipated releases. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Wigo, a compact hatchback that's been turning heads and setting new standards in the subcompact segment. Whether you're a city dweller looking for an efficient daily driver or someone seeking an affordable yet feature-rich vehicle, the 2026 Wigo might just be the perfect fit. Let's explore what this new iteration has to offer. The Toyota Wigo has long been celebrated for its compact dimensions, making it an ideal choice for urban environments where space is at a premium. The 2026 model continues this tradition with an overall length of 3,760 mm, a width of 1,665 mm, and a height of 1,515 mm. These dimensions ensure that the Wigo remains agile and easy to maneuver through tight city streets and crowded parking lots. Despite its compact size, the Wigo offers a comfortable seating capacity for up to 5 passengers, making it a practical choice for small families or groups. Under the hood, the 2026 Wigo is equipped with a 1-liter, 3-cylinder, inline, 12-valve DOHC engine featuring variable valve timing with intelligence. VV, this engine configuration delivers a maximum output of 67 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and a peak torque of 89 Nm at 4,400 RPM. While these figures position the Wigo as a modest performer, they are more than adequate for daily commuting and city driving scenarios. The engine's design emphasizes fuel efficiency without compromising the necessary power for typical urban journeys. Transmission options for the Wigo include a continuously variable transmission (CVT), which is available in the G and E variants, and a 5-speed manual transmission offered in the J variant. The CVT provides a smooth and seamless driving experience, optimizing fuel efficiency by allowing the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM range. On the other hand, the manual transmission caters to drivers who prefer a more engaged driving experience and greater control over gear selection. Fuel efficiency has always been a hallmark of the Wigo, and the 2026 model upholds this reputation. While exact fuel consumption figures can vary based on driving conditions and habits, the Wigo's lightweight design and efficient powertrain contribute to impressive fuel economy, making it a cost-efficient choice for budget-conscious drivers. The exterior design of the 2026 Wigo showcases a modern and youthful aesthetic. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sleek headlights, giving the car a dynamic presence on the road. The compact proportions are accentuated by clean lines and subtle curves, contributing to both aerodynamic efficiency and visual appeal. Depending on the variant, the Wigo may come equipped with alloy wheels and other exterior enhancements that add to its stylish demeanor. Let's talk interior. Stepping inside, the Wigo offers a surprisingly spacious cabin for its class. The interior layout is designed with practicality and comfort in mind, providing ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in durable materials, ensuring longevity and ease of maintenance. The driver's seat in the G variant offers a 6-way manual adjustment, while the front passenger seat provides a 4-way manual adjustment, allowing occupants to find their optimal seating positions. In terms of technology and infotainment, the 2026 Wigo is equipped with features that enhance the driving experience. The G and E variants come standard with an infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless smartphone integration for navigation, music streaming, and hands-free communication. Additionally, these variants include Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and voice command functionality, ensuring that drivers can stay connected while keeping their focus on the road. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the Wigo. The vehicle is equipped with essential safety features, including dual front airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and seatbelt reminders for both driver and passengers. These features work in tandem to provide a secure driving environment, offering peace of mind to both the driver and occupants. The Wigo's compact size contributes to its excellent maneuverability, making it particularly well-suited for navigating congested urban areas. Its small footprint allows for easy parking in tight spaces, and the responsive steering enhances the overall driving experience. Despite its size, the Wigo maintains stability at higher speeds, providing confidence during highway driving. Cargo space is another area where the Wigo demonstrates its practicality. The hatchback design allows for flexible storage options, accommodating daily errands and weekend getaways alike. While the standard cargo capacity is modest, the rear seats can be folded down to expand the available space, catering to larger items or increased luggage. The 2026 Wigo is available in several variants, each offering a unique set of features to cater to different preferences and budgets. The GCVT variant, positioned at the higher end of the lineup, includes premium features such as keyless entry with smart entry functionality, enhancing convenience for the driver. The eCVT variant offers keyless entry and essential infotainment features, providing a balanced mix of functionality and affordability. The JM/T variant, being the most economical option, focuses on delivering the core essentials without compromising on quality. Pricing for the Wigo varies depending on the chosen variant and optional features. As of the latest information, the GCVT variant is priced at $795,000, the eCVT at $690,000, and the JM/T at $615,000. These competitive price points make the Wigo an attractive option for first-time car buyers, young professionals, and those seeking a reliable secondary vehicle. Customer feedback on the Wigo has been overwhelmingly positive, with many owners praising its fuel efficiency, ease of driving, and low maintenance costs. The vehicle's compact size and responsive handling have been highlighted as significant advantages for urban driving. Additionally, the inclusion of modern infotainment features has resonated well with tech-savvy consumers seeking connectivity on the go. In conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Wigo continues to build upon its legacy as a practical, efficient, and stylish subcompact hatchback. Its blend of modern features, reliable performance, and affordability positions it as a strong contender in its segment. Whether you're navigating city streets, embarking on weekend adventures, or simply seeking a dependable daily driver, the Wigo offers a compelling package that caters to a wide range of needs. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive overview of the 2026 Toyota Wigo. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.